In today's short video, we will learn how a DNA or RNA sequence can be translated into its corresponding amino acid sequence in just a few clicks. Let's dive in and learn how sequence translation works. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Simply paste your DNA sequence into the input box, then keep all settings at their default values before proceeding to the next step. When you're ready, simply press the Translate button to convert your nucleotide sequence into a protein sequence. 6 reading frames will be generated, 3 from the forward strand and 3 from the reverse strand. Select the longest in frame protein sequence with no premature stop codons. Once you have selected the correct protein sequence, paste it into the NCBI Protein BLAST tool. This will allow you to compare your sequence against known proteins and determine its closest matches. Check the closest matches from the BLAST results and download the sequences for further comparison and analysis. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.